with everything going on in the world right now around the coronavirus, it's certainly some strange times has been the word that I've landed on to describe how I feel about it and the vibe that I'm getting from my clients and teams that are wrestling with how do I stay productive in this trying time? How do I communicate effectively with the people that I used to just lean over cube walls and say, hey, I've got this problem, what's going on with you? Can't really do that right now. So while the setting has changed and many of us are working virtually and supporting our teams from remote office spaces or likely home office spaces, I am actually coming to you from my home office. I think the settings changed, but the work really has not changed. So what I'd offer for you is a window into my new virtual team building crash course. And what I found from a decade of experience managing a remote team in corporate America to now managing a remote team in my own business is you don't have to see people to trust people. The game, the setting has changed, but the game has not changed. The work has not changed. We still have a job to do, and accountability and things like trust, if they were issues before, they're definitely issues now. It's a lot more clear to see problems in times of change when things are different. So high-performing teams, ones that can go seamlessly into a virtual work environment, traditionally rate really high on three key factors I found in my research and in my own experience in corporate America. Now, leading a virtual team, trust. Trust is paramount. We know that as human beings, we are wired to connect and feel a sense of belonging with others. That's difficult right now. But if you have a sense of trust, you trust yourself, you trust your teammates, you say things like, I got your back, I'm here for you. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Let's learn from it together. Words matter. The things we say and do to express real trust matter. So trust is an important part of my new crash course. Second, trust-based communication. So what does that mean? How do we communicate effectively through listening, through asking questions, through what I call promoting self-discovery with people to come up with their own solutions to their own problems? Because as a leader, you can't put on your firefighter suit and show up and have an in-person brainstorming meeting right now, right? You have to trust people to get their work done and figure out solutions to their own challenges. The third point is around inclusive leadership. Really, really understanding that those that have inclusive work environments, this is a huge differentiator, and you're probably seeing that in the success of your team already. We're a tight-knit bunch. We're going to be even more tight during times of crisis and of urgent change that we're experiencing right now. The benefits of inclusion are really showing themselves, and maybe you don't have that cohesiveness and inclusion, it's also showing itself in not so good ways, unhealthy behavior. So join me for my new virtual teams crash course. You can check out all the information to sign up. It's a 3-part series during which I suspect you will be working from home, and investing in yourself and your professional development is important right now. Join me at nextpivotpoint.com to sign up and sign up your team. These are valuable tools. I'm here with you to be supportive during these certainly trying times.